Hey everyone, welcome back to PPP Designer. Today we are diving into some fantastic free design resources that can help you elevate your projects. Whether you are a designer, illustrator, or just looking for a great tools, these resources are perfect for you. So let's get started. First up, we have Opblast. Opblast offers a curated collection of free design resources, including mockups, fonts, templates, icons, and graphics. They select the best of the best, so you know you are getting quality resources. So let's take a closer look at what you can find over here. It shows different categories on Opblast: mockup, fonts, template, etc. For example, under the mockup category, you can find everything from device mockup to brand mockups. It's a one-stop shop for designers looking for high-quality assets. Plus, the interface is user-friendly, making it easier to navigate and find what you need quickly. Head over to unblast.com to explore their amazing collection. Next, let's talk about LS Graphics. This site provides a huge collection of free mockups for Photoshop, Sketch, and Figma. They offer high-quality, customizable mockups for various projects, from apparel to promotional markets. Each mockup is designed with precision, ensuring your final output looks professional at the end. So, showcasing different mockup categories: device, apparel, branding, etc. What's great about LS Graphics is their attention to details. Whether you are designing a t-shirt or a mobile app, these mockup will give your project a polished, professional look. So visit ls.graphics/free mockups to check out their offering and start downloading your favorite mockups. Moving on to Mockups Design, this site offers a variety of free and you can say premium mockups, including flyers, brochures, business cards, packaging, and more. All mockups are 100% free and no registration is required. The site is well organized with categories, making it easy to find the perfect mockups for your project. Different mockup availability are flyers, brochures, business card, etc. As I have already said, one of the best thing about Mockup Design is the variety they offer. No matter what type of project you are working on, you will find a mockup that fits your needs. Plus, the download process is straightforward and hassle-free. Explore this collection at mockup-design.com and elevate. Next up is Google Font. This platform provides a vast library of free fonts that you can use in your projects. They offer a wide range of style, from serif to sans serif, script to display fonts. You can browse and download fonts directly from fonts.google.com. Showcase different font categories and preview features. Google Font is an essential resource for designers. The preview fonts feature allows you to see how the fonts will look in your design before downloading, making it easier to find the perfect font for your projects. Plus, with their extensive library, you can see to find a font that matches your style or your project. Old is gold. Last but not least, we have DaFont. DaFont is a popular site for free fonts, offering a huge selection of different styles and categories. Whether you are looking for a classic serif font or a quirky display fonts, DaFont has got you covered everything. The site is easy to navigate and you can search for fonts based on categories or themes. Showcase different font styles and how to download. DaFont's users-friendly interface, which make it simple to browse through thousands of fonts and find exactly what you need. Plus, download font is quick and easy. Visit dafont.com to find the perfect font for your next project. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these resources helpful and are excited to try them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and please do subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing, you guys. Bye bye.